अस्सलाम वालेकुम ऑल फ्रेंड्स। आज हम आपके साथ शेयर करेंगे जमाइमा गोल्ड स्मिथ सेज व्हाट लव गॉट टू डू विद इट लेफ्ट इमरान खान सन्स इन टीयर्स। तो फ्रेंड्स मजीद जानिए। ब्रिटिश फिल्म मेकर जमाइमा गोल्ड स्मिथ revealed that her sons Suleiman and Qasim Khan were left teary-eyed by her upcoming film What's Love Got to Do with It. The ex-wife of PTI chairman Imran Khan spoke emotionally about her teenage son's reaction to her directorial debut and stated that Suleiman and Qasim's feedback matters the most to her as they are her biggest critics. In a recent interview with a local media outlet, Jemima said, their action has definitely been the highlight the whole experience because they are not rom-com lovers. They don't like those kinds of films. They are my biggest critics, and obviously they are half Pakistani Muslim kids. Whether they liked it, the film or not was very important to me. I got them to see it, and they said at the end of it, I could see them being a little tearful, and I also heard them laughing. They said, Emma, we are so proud of you. I think they knew how hard I worked at it. ये देखें फ्रेंड्स, ये मजीद पिक्स हैं उनके बेटे की, उनकी वाइफ की। ये व्हाट्स लव गॉट टू डू विद इट is a heartwarming rom-com that follows the story of a filmmaker, Zoe, by Lil James, who has a hard time finding her Mr. Right while experiencing bad dates. ये देखें फ्रेंड्स। तो फ्रेंड्स उम्मीद करते हैं ये इन्फॉर्मेशन आपके लिए इंतहाई अहम होगी। इस तरह की मजीद मालूमाती और इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियोस हासिल करने के लिए हमारे चैनल को लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए ताकि आने वाली तमाम तर इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियोस आप तक बआसानी और टाइम पर पहुंच सकें। थैंक्स एंड अल्लाह।